Welcome to this new video in the Stealth series. This part will be a quick one where we'll be setting up the player character. There isn't much to set up right now except crouching and building a health system for the player, and that's exactly what we'll do in this episode. So, to start building the crouch system, honestly, I believe there's no better system than the one already built into Unreal Engine itself. Yes, that's right. Unreal has a ready-to-use crouch system. Strangely, most people, not all, don't use it. I really don't understand why. I even started wondering if maybe some people don't even know it exists. Anyway, let's not get off topic and go back to our main focus. The idea is simple first, go to the player character. Under character movement, enable the option can crouch. This is very important. After that, you'll find other useful settings, like preventing the player from falling off edges while crouching, or adjusting crouch movement speed. Next, choose any input key you want for crouching, then call the isCrouching boolean from character movement. From there, simply set up a branch check and call the nodes crouch and uncrouch accordingly. To visualize this system we've built, set the capsule to not hidden in game and run a quick test. As you can see, when I press the crouch key, the capsule shrinks in size and the player's speed decreases. Exactly what we want. But the capsule looks too small, so let's tweak it a little. From my many tests, I found that the best value is 65. Yes, that's much better. Exactly what we need. Now, all we need to add is the animation. If you need a crouch animation, I've already prepared one for this project. I'll share the download link in the description. So, with the animation ready, let's quickly create a 2D blend space and name it BL Crouching. We'll simply add crouch idle and crouch walk here. For the horizontal axis, we'll call it speed and set the max value to 400. We'll also adjust the smoothing time to 0.5. Now, let's go to the animation blueprint of our character. In the event graph, we'll add the crouch logic and store it in a variable. Then, in the anim graph, we'll insert the blend space we created. Simply add a new state called crouching. Inside it, place the crouching blend space. For the speed input, connect it to the ground speed. The logic is straightforward. When crouching, play the crouch animations. When not crouching, stop them. That's it. Now let's test it. Okay, there's a clear issue here related to the IK leg. We could just ignore it and remove the IK legs from the character, but I prefer fixing the issue quickly since it won't take much time. To fix this, first go to the character's IK setup. Before making changes, create a copy of it to work with. Then, inside the IK, update the sequence node so it looks like this. After that, add a new pin in the sequence and move all the pins up, leaving the first output empty. Now, call the node setTransform and set it to foot IK. Then, get getTransform and apply it to foot left. After that, duplicate it and change foot left to foot right. I made a mistake here. It should be IK foot left and IK foot right. And that's it. Let's check if the issue is fixed. Yes, the problem is gone. Great. Now, let's create the health system and damage logic for the player. This will also be quick and simple. Go to the player character and create a new variable called health. Set it to 100. Then, use the any damage node to reduce the health by the damage received. Use clamp float to ensure the player's health doesn't go below 0 and then update the health value. That's all for this part. Before continuing, let's tidy things up here a little. Now, let's create a widget to display the player's health and name it UI_health bar. Inside the widget, add a canvas panel and a progress bar. In the event construct, cast to our player character. Then, in the progress bar, create a new function for percent. Inside it, get a reference to the player, access health, and divide it by 100 since percent only accepts values from 0 to 1. That's all here. Finally, in the player character's event begin play, use the create widget node, set it to our UI health bar, and add it to the viewport. And now, yes, everything works perfectly. The crouch system works without issues, the health bar is visible, and it decreases correctly when the player takes damage. Perfect. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next part of this series.